Alright, so now we're going to get the cost or the rate per night for a certain room number. I just created this little table over here. The room number is going to be, let's pick 104. Okay. Now, this is called a HLOOKUP. Equals HLOOKUP, open brackets. Now the search criteria is rate per night, so we're going to click that on there, then comma. The array, we're going to say it's this whole table, select most of it, comma. The index is 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll say 5, that's 104. So put 5, comma, and we'll put 0, close brackets. And there we go, 130, done.